This video is for Amirula and to give clarification in your questions.
This is the moment, tonight is the night.
This is the feed pump. The suction pressure and the discharge pressure. These are the discharge valve. The left is full open while the right is regulated. The oil and the excess pressure flows here and avoid overpressure during operation. Simultaneously, majority of the oil goes in this valve to that line going to the purifier. This is the multi-monitor where we can see the temperature and the pressure. We'll talk about the temperature later and why it's low. Moving on, this is the inlet valve. It is also regulated half turn open only. This is the purifier bypass valve in fully closed position. Now let's talk about the temperature. It's set to 90 degrees centigrade with fully open control valve. Here is the control room boiler pressure. This one is the actual pressure. Yes, it's low. The reason being is this. I'll show you. Yeah, I know. It's cold. It's freezing cold here. Some people wish to be here, but I don't. I like the snow though. It's soft. It's refreshing. Quick facts. Did you know that your name means God wish? You're heavenly, I guess. Well, that's all for now. This is cool.